So, good day guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Plaza Pershing. Kasama ko ngayon si Kian at gagawa tayo ng vlogs ngayon tungkol dito sa
Zamboanga City.
So, gagawa tayo ng vlog about sa Plaza Pershing dito sa Zamboanga City. So, ngayon mag-start tayo dito sa mga monumento nila. Kung kung ano yung historical backgrounds ng Plaza Pershing at kung bakit nila tinayo ito.
Plaza Pershing in Zamboanga City, Philippines has a rich historical background dating back to the American colonial period. Named after General John J. Pershing, an influential American military officer, the plaza was established to honor his service during the Moro Rebellion in the early 20th century. General Pershing played a key role in efforts to establish peace and stability in the region. Constructed in the early 90s, Plaza Pershing served as a central public space and a symbol of American presence in the Philippines. Over the years, the plaza was witnessed various historical events and has evolved into a cultural hub. The site features a monument dedicated to General Pershing, serving as a reminder of the historical ties between the Philippines and the United States. Plaza Pershing historical significance extends beyond its initial commemorative purpose. It has become an integral part of Zamboanga City's heritage, hosting cultural events, gatherings, and reflecting the city's diverse history. The plaza stands as a living testament to the shared experiences that have shaped the cultural landscape of Zamboanga City and continues to be a prominent landmark with deep historical roots. So now, we will tackle about the architectural features and the background of the Plaza Pershing in Zamboanga City.
So the architectural of Plaza Pershing in Zamboanga City showcase of blend of monument to General John J. Pershing, colonial era design, landscape gardens, walkways and open spaces, historical markers, lighting features. Overall, the architectural of Plaza Pershing reflects its dual role. It's a historical monument and a public space contributing to the cultural identity of Zamboanga City. The combination of colonial influence and truthful landscaping make it a visually compelling destination for both locals and visitors.
So, ngayon pupunta tayo dun sa monumento ni John J. Pershing. Yes, para tukuyin natin kung ano nga bang nakalagay dun kay John J. Pershing sa monument niya. So, let's go. So, pabalik na tayo guys at wala tayong nakitang monument dito sa Plaza Pershing. Kasi wala pala talagang monument dito sa Plaza Pershing or yung monument ni John J. Pershing is wala dito sa Plaza Pershing. Ewan ko kung nasan po nilagay nila. So, tukuyin na natin yung ibang mga local stories dito about sa Plaza Pershing.
So, before we proceed to the cultural events, gathering, and having in the Plaza Pershing, we will first tackle about the monument of John J. Pershing. So, nasaan nga ba talaga ang monumento ni John J. Pershing? So, John J. Pershing's monuments can locate in different countries, but there is a big monument of John J. Pershing that is well known and it's located at Northwest Washington DC, 20,045 United States.
So the culture events in Plaza Pershing in Zamboanga City, as the Plaza Pershing in Zamboanga City hosts a variety of cultural events that contributes to the vibrance of locals atmosphere. Some recurring and special occasions includes the festivals and celebrations, the Independence Day, local performances, historical reenactments, the community gatherings, arts exhibitions, culinary festivals, environmental and awareness, and attending these cultural events at Plaza Pershing offers a unique opportunity for visitors to immerse themselves in the local culture, witness traditions, practice, and celebrates the city's diverse heritage. So, dito din pala sa sa Plaza Pershing is makikita natin yung centennial marker ng Ateneo.
de Zamboanga.
So, gusto niyo makita yung centennial marker ng Ateneo? Dito yung ito yung centennial marker ng Ateneo or ng ADSU. Ito. Meron silang naka-landscape na mapa dito. Ito. Mga mapa. So, base nga dito sa Plaza Pershing, nagiging landmark din pala tong Plaza Pershing, hindi lang sa kung ano-ano bagay, kundi pwede din sa eskwelahan, ganun.
Local stories about Plaza Pershing in Zamboanga City often reflect the deep connection and residents have with the historical site. Some stories may include general gathering, historical anecdotes, community unity, personal connections, changes over time, local legends. Collecting and sharing these local stories adds depth to the narrative surrounding Plaza Pershing.
So the next is the landscapes gardens. So community engagement in Plaza Pershing, Zamboanga City is a dynamic aspect of Plaza's roles within the local society. Here are ways in which the community actively participates. Number 1 is the cultural festivals. Number 2 is the volunteer initiatives. 3 is the historical awareness programs. 4 is the community events and gatherings. 5, environmental activities. 6, the local arts and exhibitions. 7, the collaborative programs. And 8 is the social and civic gatherings. Community engagement in Plaza Pershing contributes to the plaza vitality, making it not space where residents actively shape and celebrate the cultural life of Zamboanga City.
So, hihintayin namin ngayon ang mga ilaw dito sa Plaza Pershing.
Para makita natin kung gaano talaga kaganda yung mga ilaws dito pag tuwing Christmas season dito sa Plaza Pershing.
Opo.
So, makikita natin ngayon dito na umilaw na nga dito sa Plaza Pershing. Yan, nakikita natin yung kagandahan dito sa Plaza Pershing. Ito yung tinatawag nilang night scene dito sa Zamboanga City or sa Plaza Pershing ng Zamboanga City. So, ayan nga, nakikita natin.
Ang ganda.
Mamaya, papalibutin natin tong mga dekorasyon dito sa Plaza Pershing gamit yung backcam natin. So, tara, tingnan nyo muna. So ngayon, para mas maganda yung vlog natin is pupunta tayo sa isang tao na pwede natin i-interviewin.
Kung ano yung experience nila dito sa Plaza Pershing ng Zamboanga City.
Yun. At tara na, maghahanap tayo ng isang tao. Sino pwede? So nahanap na natin yung isang tao na pwede natin i-interviewin. Tara. So, eto nga pala yung taong i-interviewin natin. So, anong pangalan mo, Miss?
Crystal.
Si Crystal. So, Crystal, anong ginagawa mo dito sa Plaza Pershing ng Zamboanga City?
Wala lang po. Nanonood lang po ng lights, gano'n, tapos may night.
So, anong experience mo dito sa Zamboanga City, sa Plaza Pershing, dito sa Zamboanga City?
As we all know naman po na yung Plaza Pershing po is one of the beautiful sites here in Zamboanga. So ngayon po, since Christmas season naman po siya, marami po siyang mga lights na pwede natin gamitin para background sa mga pictures natin. Or pwede natin tingnan if ever like wala tayong ginagawa, tapos gusto lang natin muni-muni dito sa park.
Salamat. Salamat po sa sa pakikihandog dito sa aming vlogs. So, yun lang po. Thank you.